and only need to use your phone, smartphone, that's all. Yeah, so in this video I'll talk about making money on your phone in 2020. Yeah, this is 2020. So with nothing but your mobile phone, yes, you can make money. So um this was actually posted as a post on my website. I will include the link in the description. So the first way you can make money on your phone in Zambia is investment apps. But you have to be very careful. There are a lot of scams on this, especially like Bitcoin scams, whatever. Yeah. There are a lot of apps. This app I like using called Premise. Premise is an app whereby you can answer questions, surveys, take photos. They can pay you. Yeah, just search for Premise in the Play Store, and you can, and they pay you using mobile money and airtime directly. That's the good part. There's nothing like PayPal. No, they pay you directly using airtime money or using airtime. Yeah. The other way you can make money on your phone is by working as a delivery service offer. For example, if you stay near town, you can go to any company, like for example a restaurant. I can talk to a restaurant owner, like I would like to be delivering your products to people. Yeah, so when someone maybe or buy something from the restaurant, you can pick up those stuff, same stuff, take them to where that person stays, and they'll pay you for that. And the other way you can make money with your phone is by becoming a driver. And by the way, there's this app called Orlando. Yeah, you can actually make money using the same phone. Like sign up, download the app, the Orlando driver, start picking up people, and you will make money. Of course, for this you need to have a car. Yeah, to start making money. The other way you can make money is by selling stuff on your phone. Yeah, you can create a Facebook page, a website. If you need a website, contact me. Yeah, you can start selling things online. You will make money. Okay. The other way you can make money is by becoming a customer service agent. Although this one is not that popular here in Zambia. Yeah, but there are some other companies who are busy can actually sign up on them and become a customer agent and start managing their Facebook pages and start replying to what people are asking on the Facebook pages. For example, I don't know if it's actually possible, like Airtel Money. Yeah, maybe you might be knowledgeable about a certain thing. You may sign up as a customer agent and start answering questions. It's actually simple. So if you have more questions or contributions or whatever you would like to share, feel free to comment or contact me. Yeah, this is key. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check the link in the description below.